again with No Blemish Mobile Detailing. Hope you guys enjoy this video today. We're going to show you guys the process of how we wash black vehicles. You know, sometimes black vehicles are the hardest to wash, not because of the process, but because they're the most noticeable. So hope you guys enjoy it. Ready to wash our second vehicle. We already finished our first vehicle. Unfortunately, you guys couldn't see it because our cameraman had to run to the restroom down the street. So what we're going to do here is, if you see the vehicle, it does have some water overspray, but that's just because we washed the other vehicle. Our first tip that we could give when doing these vehicles, no contact. So what we're going to be doing is actually going to fall under our premium service package. And what we do is, right off the bat, we already go to our vehicle. You see we got our foam can in here. And what we do is, before any contact, we foam up our vehicle. We're gonna once again foam up the whole vehicle. We're gonna let it sit for maybe a quick minute or so. What that does, that gives us time to do our tires and rims, which we already did. So I'm still gonna let it sit for a moment. We always have brand new rags on hand. It's not needed if you have multiple sponges, and that's what we do. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sponges, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a rag to it. Okay, and we'll let that sit. Once our tires and rims are done, see the vehicle there. It's actually breaking down all the dirt that was already on the vehicle. Take all the dirt off the vehicle, so when you go to scrub, what you're doing is you're kind of putting small scratches into the paint from the dirt that's still sitting on there. So this is one of the best ways to do it. Like I said, all the soap, it breaks down all your dust and any little buildup on the vehicle. Get all that soap completely off. Rinse it down completely. Top, everything. All right, so what we're gonna do now is, I know we didn't get the window. That's one of our least worries, but what we're gonna do now is we're gonna repeat step 1. We're gonna foam up the vehicle again, okay? We're gonna hit our final area. This side was already taken care of. You see, this is what I'm talking about. When you have areas like this, you want to be careful, because these can put scratches in your paint. Cause extra swirls, marring, things like that. Use this, the other side that I haven't used, for the front. We've got multiple sponges. You got multiple sides. Use as much sides as possible. Like I said, we're dealing with the leaves. We got leaves all over. Like, little one already took care of the top. Now we're all finished up. Let's rinse it off. So as you see that little one's blowing up the vehicle, what we're gonna do is, with our towels, our drying towels, we're gonna apply the least pressure as possible when it comes to drying. And that's why these drying towels are really good. You don't have to do too much work. Touch it off with the blower, or whatever you use to dry your blow your vehicle, type of drying towel you use. So we actually are going to have these in our description below. I don't remember, I think this was from the rag company. The ones we had before were actually from Maxine. We actually like those ones a lot more, to be honest. These ones are actually working out I just can't, I don't want to order anything offline and not get what I'm looking for. So for those max shine towels, we'll probably have to go in person to make sure that we get the right drying towels. Because I know you guys know when you guys order stuff online, whether it's microfiber rags, things like that. I remember one time we ordered some microfiber rags off Amazon, and they were the little tiny square ones. The truth of it is that this vehicle has already been serviced before. Unfortunately, there is small, defects in the paint already. But what we want to make sure that we do is we want to make sure that we prevent as much as possible from happening to the paint. Customer the best results, and this vehicle probably takes us maybe close to 30 to 45 minutes just to wash the outside. If we were doing like a full, like a regular service, as far as like a regular wash, basic service, it takes us 30 to 45 minutes to do a complete vehicle, compared to 30 to 45 minutes just for the exterior of the vehicle. So that's why I said to all you guys watching, take into consideration why detailers charge what they charge, just to perfect your paint and keep it as perfected as possible. All right, everybody, so hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, that notification, give us some feedback. God bless you guys.